Hello guys, I'll give you some tips how to shut off the lights, the daylights of Toyota 4RUNNER. Okay, we are here now in Elk Island fishing for the Aurora. So we need to turn off our lights so that we can see the Aurora in the sky clearly. So, especially winter time guys, you need to turn on your heater in your car because it's too cold. So now I'll give you some tips how to shut off the lights, then the engine is on. So you need to you need to push the foot brake, then turn on the switch like this. Okay guys, so okay, look at the headlights there. There's no lights off. So for sure we need to check in front of the car like this. Okay guys, yeah, there's no lights anymore. More lights. Okay guys, bye bye, thank you.